Here we are walking into Eve's bush in Ariwa, and the dog is leading the way as usual. So we're just taking time right now to receive into this bush area, receive the energy and ask for blessings to the bush, and thank you for entering it today. And as we enter into the bush, we're just taking in the senses of the environment, the smell, the taste in our nasal system and into our mouth, which is all interconnected. We can smell, we can taste the smell through our nasal system. It's so beautiful. Earthy, rich, fresh, lots of fresh air. The air is so much fresher in here than it was in the walk here, which is through an apartment complex. And so walking through the Nikau palms, through this indigenous forest in Ariwa. Oh, I can smell the wetness, the damp, the moss. Oh, the earthy smells are all there. And there's beautiful, beautiful trees with the rata growing up the trees and the ferns also growing up the trees. This beautiful, beautiful bush. So just soaking in this earth energy. There's another one with rata, strangulation plants, rata, and the fern that's symbiotically living as the lichen lives in this tree. It's so beautiful. I'm so fortunate to have this in New Zealand.